Want to learn your favorite songs fast? Let's talk about Chordify. Chordify turns any YouTube video or audio file into chords that scroll in real time as the song plays. Just search for a song, pick your instrument, guitar, piano, or ukulele, and start playing along. The app has over 36 million songs in its library, so chances are your favorite track is there. The setup is super simple. The chords move along with the music, making it really easy to follow. You see the chord diagrams right on screen, so even beginners can jump in. The free version lets you place 2 songs per day or 4 if you make an account. That's completely free with no credit card needed. The premium version costs about $3.50 per month if you pay yearly or $7 month to month. With premium, you get unlimited songs, speed control to slow things down, transpose to change keys, loop sections you're struggling with, and you can download chords as PDFs. Users love the clean interface and how quickly you can start playing. It's not perfect. Some users say the chord accuracy isn't always spot on, especially with complex jazz chords. The app sometimes misses advanced chords and sticks to basic major and minor ones. Also, it doesn't show lyrics alongside the chords, which some people find annoying. Many guitarists say their playing improved dramatically because of how the chords sync with the actual song. If you're learning an instrument and want a huge library of songs at your fingertips, Chordify is worth trying. The free version lets you test it risk-free. For serious learners, premium is affordable and adds real value. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.